Hi, I'm Mona. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I had a package on the porch in my name, which all the Amazon and AliExpress comes in Darren's name because it's his account. This came, and I need to apologize to Tina on the 16th, and I'm just now opening it, and I apologize. I've just had a lot of videos to catch up on. I opened this part of it because I'm like, who sent me what? And I got a gift from Tina, and it says, hope your Blythes love this from Tina. How sweet. If you don't know Tina, at Tina's Reborns, you need to go by and see her channel. She does all kinds of videos. She has not only Reborns, but she has she has a Barbie channel. She has Blythe dolls, which are really cute. She does her own customs, makes clothes. She does all kinds of things. And right now, I think she's setting up her Christmas village that she has bought from Dollar Tree, and it's really cute. All right. Oh my goodness, Tina. Oh my goodness. Make it mini foods, Miniverse. Let's get these opened up and come back. Darren just brought up a good point. He said, getting ready to make food, and I got my chef with me. Pumpkin just got a new outfit and a new toy, a little gingerbread guy. So she's watching today. I have to say, I have watched Ayla and Tina make these little items, and the wrapping on the outside of it was a lot easier this time to get off, and I appreciate that. All right, I don't know what we've got here,
Little
but
doily.
oh, is it? Are we sure? Might be part of it. I better read the instructions because last time I did not, and I made a mess. First of all, recipe video. Okay. Oh, look what we got. Oh, how cool is that? Okay, I think I can do that. Isn't that cute? Oh. Okay, looks like I got the drink, but let's open it and see. Tina, this is so fun. I don't know. Oh, wait a minute. Did I get the drink? Because that's a cute little cake dish. Oh, wow. This is really cute. This is the resin. So we'll put that there. Oh, I kind of felt like there was something else in there. Nope. All right. Let's see what else. Some of you already know what I got. Did I get the... I did. I got the gingerbread house. I thought I got the drink, it says here. All right. Let's see what else. More resin, maybe, or that's just whipped cream. All right, I'm going to have to dig out more instructions and see what we got. I saw Tina do one of these. And these are the cute little tweezers that come with it so that you can, grab the little pieces. So let's take a look in this. Oh, no. I'm going to guess it goes like that. Take a look in this one and see what we got. A little box of gumdrops. Oh, and a little star. I didn't see that at first. All right. So the directions are, get the house out, glue it together. Okay, see what this is.
French.
Yeah. To view recipe videos. Well, what I want to see is, how do I put this together? All right, let me take a look at this and we'll be back. Okay, this darling little house is together. This is the cutest thing. It really is cute. Let's see how it goes. All right, so I held this upside down in my hand for over a minute. Oh, yep, there it is. All right, so we are going to try this and see if I have the hand strength. My hands anymore do not have strength in them. Ooh, I'm making a mess. Probably why they gave you that knife. So if you want to, you can straighten that out. I'd probably make it look worse, honestly. All right, let's stop there and stick some gumdrops up there. Let's put a green one in the front. Oh, that's not gonna work. Let's see. Come on, don't dry on me, resin.
Oh, it won't. Not till you put it in the UV.
Oh, look, I have it wrong. You know what? I'm going to put these down and we'll be back. Okay, the first one is in the window curing, and I got to tell you, I am a mess with that. My fingers just do not have the dexterity that it requires anymore. Let me set these aside. Set this aside. Looks like this one's the same. Oh, this one has the turkey. I hope I get the turkey. I think that's really cute. All right, let's set this aside. Oh, they got two there.
Smaller ones.
Was it an accident? Or oh, no, one for each cup. Oh, these are cute. Look at these cups. They have little snowflakes on them. That's really cute. All right. Maybe I'll be better at making that. Oh, this is cute. Is this the resin? How will I get that out? All right. Let's see what else. Tweezers and the top for the plastic. I thought that put my gingerbread house together. Darren had to show me. No, idiot. He did not say that. I did. Oh, these little bitty marshmallows. Those are so cute. I did a drink before, and they had those. Those are really. Oh, I opened two at once by accident. Let's see. What did we get? Oh, my goodness. Let's peek in here. Oh, my goodness. Look at the sprinkles. Oh, boy, I'll be a mess with that.
Never getting them back in the
My hands are bare paws anymore. It happens with age. And, oh, the stirs. Isn't that, oh, that's adorable. Wait a minute, I dropped one. I thought there was something still in it, but maybe I picked this up with the other. All right. Wait a minute. That kind of feels like there's, oh, I think it was the edge, but let's make sure. I don't want to lose anything. Okay, so here we go. This should be easier for me. Let's see what it says. Yeah, I know, I'm a mess. All right, so we do what now? One, put some chocolate in. And am I missing a piece? Looks like there's something in between. Marshmallows, maybe?
No, it looks like it wants you to put some around the edge of the top, so when you sprinkle the sprinkles, it sticks to it.
Yeah, I get that, but there's a... Oh, okay, so that goes down in... Okay, well, I'll give that a try. Let's warm this up and turn it upside down like they suggest.
And be back in a little bit.
Okay, we have the... gingerbread house in the window, and Darren remembered he had this UV light. I don't know how long I'm supposed to leave this, but we'll do it a couple minutes. Okay, they are all set up and ready for the next. I have held this I've held the resin upside down in my hand, keeping it warm the whole time I was holding the flashlight on the cups. So let's see if we can get this in there and how it goes.
Yeah.
We are having a struggle trying to get the resin out of that. Darren actually has two pairs of pliers. I don't have strength in my hands anymore, or dexterity, so I had to get some help, but we are working on these. but I couldn't believe how hard it was to get that out. Now, is it just us or have you had this problem? Okay, the other two are in the window, just to give them a little bit more time. And so let's open the third one and see what we did get. I hope it's a turkey. I really wanted the turkey. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh yeah, it's the turkey. Look how cute this is. Little carrots and vegetables. Isn't that adorable? And they have it in a little vegetable-like bag. I think that's adorable. And a little tray. That's cute. Where the turkey is. Okay, that must be the resin. And this must be the turkey. Oh, cool. Oh, and it's in a wrapper, like you would get it from the grocery store. That looks pretty good size. No, I guess it's 112. Still a good size for the Blythes and the Barbies. I mean, good enough, right? Mm-hmm. And I had been wanting a turkey. I've looked at them in the stores. Oh, look, the little things for the feet. All right, let's see what we're doing here. You know what? Where is our... Oh, here it is. Okay. No, that's from the other one.
No, that's brand new. You just opened it.
Oh, I don't think so, but okay. Oh, yeah, here's the one. Okay. All right, so one, we put the turkey down and add the carrots and vegetables, and then we paint it. Well, that sounds easy enough. Let me tell you, my old hands are not doing well with this. So let me warm this up in my hand and get the carrots and everything out, and we'll be right back. This is really cute, and I wanted to point this out. It has these vegetables have a little clip like you get at the grocery store when you bag up your vegetables, or you know, like a bread tie. That is adorable. So you get all of this in the, or I got all of this in the balls, and I got to tell you, 3 of my favorite parts are the little bread wrapper and the cake icing spreader and the barbecue sauce baster. I just love those. This also came with a little card, and I'm going to say it's from Tina's Blythe to my Blythe. Isn't that the cutest? Happy holidays, and on the back it says 100% Merry. Thought that was really cute. So here's my little cook, and here's our turkey and our cappuccinos and our adorable little gingerbread house. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.